Why most home improvement loans in Canada fail. Like the other loans in other countries, home improvement loans are available for people who want to renovate their homes. Whether they feel something is needed to improve, enhance or even reconstruct, Home Improvement Loans Canada can help you support your financing methods. One of the favorite ways to get a hold of your dream home whenever you are financially unsecured is through Private Mortgages Canada. They are the most practical ways to secure one's home as they simply accept the needs and minimum requirements for a home loan. Here are some of the details below on why most home improvement loans fail in terms of unsecured homes in Canada. 1. High interest rates. It is troublesome for a homeowner who has an unsecured home in Canada to have a glimpse of home improvement loans in Canada. As the high interest rates continue to increase, it will be harder for an individual to simultaneously manage specific payments at all costs. 2. Borrowing power is compromised. Uncertainty can be a challenge, whether the person you ask for a home loan or the cost of the home loan you want. An unsecured home can also mean that you are a borrower who is less secure in having the Renovation Loans Canada in hand. With that setup, you are exposed to failing your plans and have to get a private mortgage in Canada instead. 3. Shorter payback period. Most people know that home renovations can last longer, between 20 to 30 years, to pay back, but with an unsecured home improvement plan, it is evident that you can only do it within 5 to 10 years. With a shorter payback period, you can be sure that it has higher monthly payments, which may be troublesome for you sometime in the future. Different real estate improvement issues may make it difficult to deal with various things. Moreover, one of its additional advantages is that you can be easily exposed to great opportunities you could ever imagine. Therefore, let us search for more details targeting home loans and renovations, for it can help you in various ways possible.